Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mac. Today we'll be opening some WWE 2017 Topps Heritage Trading Cards. And this hanger box has 32 cards inside, 5 exclusive roster update cards, and our chase cards are John Cena tribute cards. And then at the back, it says here that we should look for the WWE and NXT Superstars autograph and event use relics. So there are autos and patch cards here. So okay, let's open this blast pack now. Okay. First card, I think this is the base card. Maurice. Hits later. The general manager of SmackDown, Daniel Bryan. Triple H. Goldberg. Bailey. Oh, it's an all-star rookie. Future stars, Hideo Itami. I think this is a rookie card for Bailey on Raw. Charlotte Flair. Enzo Amore. With Cass. Sheamus. Cassius Ohno. Cassius Ohno was released, right? Just wish that he had went to the main roster because he's good. Cedric Alexander, all-star rookie, so it's a rookie card. Alexander Wolf from NXT. TJ Perkins, the first Cruiserweight champion. Future stars, Nikki Cross. The big dog, Roman Reigns. KO. Oh, what's this? Bray Wyatt defeats Kane in a Ring of Fire match. I just hope WWE did not release him. That's a major disappointment for most of us WWE fans. Rich Bulldog defeats Ken Shamrock in a dog food match. Oh, I think this is a blue parallel. So we got a blue parallel Bailey, an WWE Legends card Edge, Ric Flair, Mick Foley as Mankind, Jerry the King Lawler. What's this? Shawn Michaels defeats Triple H in an unsanctioned street fight. Ultimate Warrior defeats WWE Champion Randy Savage via countout. Texas Tornado defeats Mr. Perfect for the Intercontinental Championship SummerSlam 1990. Randy Orton wins the World Heavyweight Championship in a no-holds-barred match. That's the back of the card. Kurt Angle defeats Eddie Guerrero SummerSlam. Cruiserweight Champion X-Pac defeats Tajiri for the Light Heavyweight Championship. The bad guy Razor Ramon defeats Diesel for the Intercontinental Championship. But we all know are good friends and became the outsiders in WCW. The Mega Powers defeat the Mega Bucks. SummerSlam 1988. Oh, we didn't get a autograph card and an event use relic or patch card, but it's a fun rip. So I think my most favorite card here is this card, Edge. It's Legends card, and the blue Bailey rookie card, and Future Stars NXT card of Nikki Cross. That's it, guys, and thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Stay safe and God bless.